The Ministry of Broadcasting Government of India has issued an advisory to all news channels to refrain from broadcasting anti-national content which is likely to instigate violence among the masses. The advisory was released yesterday. Manipur weightlifter Saikho Mirabai Chanu bagged the women's 49 kg category gold medal at the 6th Qatar International Cup. The 25-year-old Mirabai won gold with an effort of 194 kg in the Olympic qualifying silver level event. The points that she earned will come in handy when the final rankings of 2020 Tokyo Olympics cut will be done. Rajya Sabha MP from Nagaland KG Kanye has resigned from the post of Secretary General of Naga People's Front yesterday. His resignation comes a day after he was issued a show cause notice by the MPF Disciplinary Action Committee for voting in favor of the Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Parliament, report said. A delegation of Sikkim Democratic Front Party led by its president and former Chief Minister Pawan Chamling called on the Governor Ganga Prasad at Raj Bhavan in Gangtok. As per media reports, the SDF delegation of senior leaders and workers of the party has also submitted a memorandum requesting for special exemption for Sikkim from the extension and enforcement of the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 based on the special provisions of Article 371F of Constitution of India.